Hi, welcome to Jen's Daily Dish, where I bake things on camera for the very first time so you can bake along with me and learn from my mistakes. Today we're making a copycat recipe of the Bubble Room's bubble bread. For those who don't know what the Bubble Room is, it is a restaurant that is in Captiva Island in Florida. So it's all the way on that west coast of Florida, pretty south. They have fantastic shells there, by the way. This restaurant is decorated with lots of memorabilia from the 30s and the 40s and the 50s. They've got a train that goes around the entire restaurant. It really is a sight to be seen at the very least, and the food is great as well. So if you get down to that Southwest Florida, check it out. This bread in particular is delicious. It is cheesy, and I have been scouring the internet for a recipe that will hit the mark and taste exactly like it, because I would love to make it in my own kitchen. It's pretty easy, comes together quickly, has lots of different cheeses, even some mayonnaise, goes in the oven on broil, and that's it. Of course, I was inspired by this song. I had this cheesy dream, bubble bread is so it seems. It was so good, I decided to make it if I could. Well, I'm gonna right now. First things first, get your bread ready to go. Do you have a French bread? Do you have an Italian bread? I've got a sourdough bread here. Whatever bread you got, slice it, toast it lightly, and butter it. Butter, room temperature, or, well, melty in my case. Blue cheese, mayonnaise, pepper, Swiss cheese, Parmesan, mix together. Spread on your pieces of bread liberally. Sprinkle with some more cheese, Parmesan. Sprinkle with paprika and parsley for color, just a little bit. Set your oven to broil and then put your bubble bread in and wait for it to be just like a slight golden brown. All right, it's looking nice and golden brown. Let's take it out. Ooh. Let it cool slightly, but we're gonna dig in right away. Take a look at this piece of bubble bread, or at least the bubble bread topping. It is cheesy goodness, and I'm not sure how this is gonna be bad. I don't think it's going to be. It's not possible. But will it taste like the bubble bread from Captiva Island? Let's find out. First off, this is great. I think it's not an exact match. And I say that because of the Swiss cheese. I couldn't find shredded Swiss cheese. Where do you find shredded Swiss cheese? So I had to buy Swiss cheese slices and try to chop them small. But they weren't as small as like the Parmesan or even the blue cheese, and I think that would have made the difference. I don't know, maybe it needs a little more blue cheese. Regardless, this might not be exactly like bubble bread, but it is a great cheese bread. Great. If I can make the bubble bread copycat recipe for the very first time with you watching me every step of the way, you can too. Don't forget to like and subscribe and check me out on Instagram and TikTok. Like seriously, for a whole lot more.